Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best electric toothbrushes for kids on the market, the Oral-B Kids Electric Toothbrush. If you're looking to upgrade your child's dental care routine, stick around as we explore its features, benefits, and whether it's the right fit for your little one. The Oral-B Kids Electric Toothbrush is designed with young dental health in mind. It comes equipped with a variety of features that make brushing both effective and fun. Let's break down what sets it apart. One of the standout features of this toothbrush is the coaching pressure sensor. It lights up to alert kids when they're applying too much pressure while brushing. This helps teach them good brushing habits from a young age, preventing potential damage to gums and enamel. Another great feature is the built-in timer. It ensures that kids brush for the dentist recommended 2 minutes. The timer is essential for thorough cleaning and ensures they don't rush through their oral hygiene routine. The Oral-B Kids Electric Toothbrush includes a round, sensitive brush head designed specifically for smaller mouths and gentle on young teeth and gums. It also offers a gentle mode for those extra sensitive areas, making it suitable for a wide range of ages and dental needs. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using this toothbrush. First and foremost, it removes more plaque than a regular manual toothbrush, promoting healthier smiles and reducing the risk of cavities and gum problems. To wrap it up, the Oral-B Kids Electric Toothbrush is a top contender in the realm of children's dental care. Its innovative features, such as the coaching pressure sensor and built-in timer, make it an excellent choice for parents looking to invest in their child's oral health. If you're considering an upgrade from a manual toothbrush, this could be the perfect fit. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Let us know in the comments if you've tried the Oral-B Kids Electric Toothbrush or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.